What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old Colonial Providence, USA. I guess you'd call this a camp knife. Kind of a Swiss Army knife style. I believe camp knife would be the correct term with the bail and everything on it. But you can see all the implements are pretty scratched up and everything. It's got a little bit of grime to it. It needs some oil and the action worked in. But we're gonna take it over on the fiber wheel on the bench grinder and see what we can do with this thing, and then polish it up with some Never Dull. Get some rim oil and some sandpaper in here in between all these little slots for all the blades. And yeah, let's see how this turns out. Let's get to it. And before we get started, I want to ask y'all, when do y'all think this is from? This is old. This was an advertisement knife. It says Hilti Fastening Systems. So I guess you might be able to date it off of that. I know it's tricky with Colonials because they don't do really super different stamps or anything. But if y'all have any idea, it's exposed pins. It's got the old school awl on it. And it's back when Hilti was just known as Hilti Fastening Systems. So, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Now let's get to the restoration. That's got some snap back to it. The main blade didn't snap open or close before, and now it does. It's not bad. It's got some snap to it now. So that's good. We're going to get everything polished up with some Never Dull and call this project. y'all. There we go. There's a restoration of this vintage Colonial Providence, Rhode Island camp knife. If y'all could help me with the date on this, I'd really appreciate it. I know it's kind of hard with the Colonials, but power of the internet and the hive mind of all of us, I think we can figure it out. I'd really hope or appreciate the help in the comments. Let me know what y'all think of this video down in the comments below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got a bunch of stuff here coming up in the future. A bunch of videos trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate all y'all tuning in, watching. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Thank y'all for stopping by. Until next time.